Hi and hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Accessible Tutorials for Blind.
Battery level is 70%.
So in today's tutorial I will explain to you regarding how to create a function on custom gestures settings. Add custom gestures settings on Jieshuo application. So I have promised to you in previous tutorial that I will show to you how you can create a function in your custom gestures scheme settings. So we will go look tomorrow. We will look today. So without any delay, let's start.
Home button. Page 9 of 9.
So now I will go to the Jieshuo screen reader application while using my shortcut menu or main menu. So let's go.
Main menu. Main menu. Program settings.
Okay, program settings. After I will double tap here. After I double tap, it will bring to Jieshuo screen reader application interface. So before that I have a small information. So now I will when I focus or when I find any applications or any settings, I will double tap. I will double tap with my screen. I will not tap twice with my finger on my screen. So what I will do is I will use my volume keys, up volume key to double tap to enter all the applications, settings and so on. So I will show to you also regarding this in upcoming tutorials. So let's double tap on these program settings while I will using my volume key.
Jieshuo Plus.
So it's come to the Jieshuo screen reader application interface. So let's swipe to our right to find general settings.
Jieshuo 20,200 email 94 general settings.
Then let's double tap here.
Jieshuo Plus. Custom gesture scheme settings.
And swipe to your left until you find use custom gesture scheme settings and double tap here. But in here, if you use volume key to double tap, it's look like it's a bit hard. So better tap with your finger on the screen.
Custom.
So let's swipe. After you enter in the customs gesture scheme settings, swipe to your right until you find more options.
Close button. Custom. Share. More options button.
Here you go. Simply double tap here. Okay, and then here we'll have a few options. So let's hear that first.
Create a new function. Create a new automatic link function. Function manager. New voice command. Voice command manager.
Okay, these are the options that I have provided. So let's
Create a new automatic link function. Create a new function.
create a new function and create a new automatic click function. When you double tap on this any one of these, you can create your function, but the difference is in the
Create a new function.
create a new function section. If you create your function, it will not your function will not you will get the code for your function. But if you create
Create a new automatic click function.
Under this create automatic click function, after you create your function, you will get a code for your function that have you created, and if have any errors, you can copy that code and share to any experts or any your friends who have experience to check the code that's have error or not. So better
Create a new automatic click function.
create your function under this create new automatic click function. So for example, now we will create a function.
Text box showing English US QWERTY keyboard.
Under this create new automatic click function. So for example, I will type here send.
Shift enabled. S E C send. Send.
Okay, after you type your function, you can type any words here that you want to make as your function. So after you type it, swipe to your right until you find OK button and simply double tap there.
OK button.
Yeah, double tap.
Send. English US QWERTY keyboard hidden.
And then if you swipe to your left, you will find one more text box.
Text box.
So enter this text box and type send again, or any functions that you want. So if you want to create send voice message or send function with your customs scheme settings, so just type send in the first text box, and the second text box also you must type the same word.
More up text box.
So let's type here.
Showing English US. Shift enabled. S shift E C N send.
Okay, and then swipe to your left until you find the save button.
More options button. Save.
Just simply double tap there.
No notification from Jieshuo plus saved.
Okay, you will get this notification.
Send.
And
Close button.
close. Double tap on close.
Custom. Page 9 English US. Proven. High cube. Main menu.
Sorry, it's
Main menu. Programs.
come out from Jieshuo.
20. General settings. Jieshuo. Custom just. Custom.
Okay.
Close button.
So I have told you just now, if you want to make sure that your code have error or not, and you want to check with your friends, so you can share the function code that you have created. So how to share the code, or how to get the code for the function that you have created? So simply at the more option, click on the more option of customize of customs gestures scheme settings.
Custom. Share. More option.
So you will find function manager.
Create a function manager.
So double tap here.
Program X. Chat input menu button.
Sorry.
Custom. Share.
Okay.
More up gesture default. Create a new auto function manager. Custom.
Function manager. So after you click on this function manager, swipe to your left or to your right until you find your function that you have created.
Send. Play. Send.
Okay, send. This is the function that we have created just now. So let's double tap on this send.
Send.
So after that you swipe to your left
If service.click, send, return through and return through text box.
So this is the example code that you will get, and simply copy this code and send to your friends or to any experts for make sure that this code have any error or not. So
More up, save, send, close, custom.
this is the example.
Up gesture, down gesture, up gesture default.
So after you create your function, you can customize your custom scheme to perform with your function that you have created. So my friend have said that if you want to create a function and for an applications, it will little bit different. So I'm also still learning about that. So
Page 9 of 9. Page indicator. And zip provable. High Q. Pass. High Q. Stop button.
so I'm also still learning about that. So after I'm finished learning, I will make the tutorial for that also. So our tutorial now will become to the end. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, and if you have any question, or if you need this tutorial or previous tutorial with other kind of TTS, you can let me know at the comment box below. And then you also can join my Telegram channel to get more softwares and application which is very useful to people like us. So and then the channel link will available at the description box. The Jieshuo application screen reader also will available at the description box, and it's also available at my Telegram channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, give your comments, likes, and share this video to anyone who's needed. Thank you.
Before end, if you need this tutorial in Tamil or Malay language, you can let me know at the command box below. Please subscribe my channel. At the same time, don't forget to give your comments, likes and share this video to your friends or to others who's needed. Hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thanks for watching.